van?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just doing a little video for his YouTube channel.
Right, cheers.
Bless him. We're off back in at warmth. You can't miss it out on this pudding, are you? This is the bit Baggy's been waiting for. Look, he's already eaten it.
Oh, mate.
Good morning, YouTube. Just down at Ford Recycling down at Armley, Leeds. We've done various works here actually. Just a right little repair they've got. These are some big gates, got some big machines here. We did all this probably last year, so you've probably got the video you can see of that, but basically a wagon's backed into this panel here, so they just want that repairing. Something not really, but you know, we'll do it just to keep them sweet basically. Yeah, so normally what I do, especially when I come to do my quotes, I'll tell you what I do. I'm just getting car. What I'd normally do is, obviously if it's the biggest job, I'll measure up, get my wheel out, any gates, do some joins, that type of thing, and then before I set off to my next appointment, I'll probably email my suppliers, my gate supplier, stuff like that. So then by the time I've done all my surveys in the morning, you know, I might have 3 or 4 or whatever in that day, in that morning. By the time I get back to the office in the afternoon, I generally have most of the prices back from the suppliers and stuff like that, so I can literally quote them the same day, and it tends to work well, and people like it that we're on the ball, efficient. We get a lot of work that way. So obviously this one's only a small repair, so it's something to note. We will have the panel in stock anyway. You know, so I'll get a price to them. It's something that'll be one of those when we're passing sort of deals, you know. But we'll keep them sweet, because like I say, we've done a lot of works around the yard over the last few years, and I know they've got expansion plans, so you know, we'll keep us clients happy. The guys have been on a job, finished it already. It's only just after dinner time, 1 o'clock-ish, 1:30.
So, happy Monday. Nice rainy weather over here in Bradford. Got lads sat in van, just talking them through a job, just something nothing today. We'll get out of here for 12 o'clock. So we did a little job for Home Group. They actually own this land, and Blooming Buds just need a gate and a bit of fencing. So we've got the bow top railings to match in black. It's literally going to be coming off where that corner of that fencing is, post dug in there, post down there, little section cut out with a gate. I'm going to leave the lads to it while I go pick up some materials and stuff for tomorrow. But there they are. So yeah, I'm going to get straight off and go get my stuff done, and then come back and see how they're getting on. So basically we've put in a gate, added some rails down to the top, and now they've just got access to this. So I believe they're actually renting this land out to someone else, so they just wanted a gate so they could access it. And yeah, job's a good one. Nice half day. On to the next one tomorrow, Gummersall Primary School.
Loading up for tomorrow. Already got the gates on here, welder, and then panels on for the school tomorrow. Look.
Big shout out to Gary Ixley.
Thanks Gary for watching and giving us a like and a thumbs up. Yeah, so they're getting loaded up for tomorrow's job here, Gummersall School we're doing. We've actually got another one, sister school at All Saints to do as well. So yeah, just quite busy this week, although it's forecast snow apparently, back end of the week, but we'll see how we get on with that, and we'll see you later.
So happy Monday, we're back at yard, 1 o'clock. Baggy will be in pub by 2. We're getting it out of here. It's got forklift. So tomorrow we're at Gummersall Primary School, just installing some can't get my words out today. Probably. Back up again, digging out. Third day on the job over in Skipton. Good morning, it's Tuesday and we're at Cumbersall Primary School. I'm just in the van at the minute, just moving out of the way. Got all the stuff off, so let's have a look at what we're doing today. So there's going to be some 0.9 roll top going in today. We've got some gates at 1.8 twin, a single and a double, and obviously some twin to be installed with that as well. And we're also going to be installing obviously the 0.9 and the gate, what I'm about to go get. Lads are already on with takedown, going down here. What? Say hello. Jamie loves being on camera. What about you, Baggy? Oh, hey, we didn't get finger today. So all this timber will be coming out, 0.9 roll top going in there. Then right down at the bottom, let me just get this off a second. Then right down at the bottom, just where you see these rails, basically we'll have a gate put in. What we're going to do is, we've brought the welder with us, so what we're going to do is, because obviously the fence line's staying in the same place, so we're actually going to cut these out and reattach this end bit. We'll sand it down, grind it all down, weld it back on and reattach it, so then it'll be sat just here on both sides, perfectly in sync with the new fence line. And yeah, so there's some roll top going in here today. There's another piece around the back, and then there's some more as well. Obviously once we get going and once we get around there, I'll show you exactly what's going on. But all this timber's to come down. These double gates will be 1.8 double gates. Why do you look so happy? No. Okay, it loves. Oh, have you heard this? Right, I'll see you soon. Go on, Baggy. So good afternoon, just been up to pick up the gates from our mate Ed Fabricator. There they are. So they're just going to be going where them rails are now. Jamie's just calculating if we've got enough panels just to finish this off, as it's a bit steep, so some of these are going to have to go in half panels just to keep the distance nice. Someone might be trying to get in, so I need to go. Someone's just behind me, so I'll leave you to it, and that's where it's going.
Right, gates in. All neat. Gone down in arse. Caretaker's been, he absolutely loves it. He said it looks lovely. He's aware at gaps. He said, I know. He said there's nothing you can do. But so it's finished right up to there. And we've just got to go to the end of there. Float them off tomorrow. Get them double gates in. Let them go off a day and then go finish that. We'll be done Thursday.
Good morning, another fine day. Lovely and cold again. Just try to snow now as we're talking. It's about 7 in the morning now. Forecast sort of just sleeting a bit this morning, but then heavy snow this afternoon, I believe. So we're just over at Cumbersall again. Hopefully we'll get finished that this morning before the heavy stuff comes.
12 seconds later.
Come on, baggy lad. What can I say about today? Look at that. Mark's panicking about getting us back, so we're out of here. We've got, we've done what we've had to do. Headmistress has just been out, bless her. She says, thank you very much, you've done a splendid job. Can't believe you're in shorts. So they're over at Moon, caretaker's over at Moon. I'll just show you these bits what we've been doing. So we put this in today, a single gate. We put posts in yesterday, little infill, come down in halves. I'll show you this other bit. They've been making us warm drinks. They've even got school dinner on before we go, but I think we need to get out of here before we get snowed in. Put a double gate in here, panel at the side. Baggy can't feel his fingers, mine aren't too bad, I've had 2 pair of gloves on. You hanging on for school dinner, yeah? Promised him a pudding. In fact, right, get up here. Put this in yesterday, single gate here. Roll top, popular roll top we use. A lot of schools. Got line down there, side of that pink curb. Running up there, all sweet, it's all snagged. Another one off a zip list, so I think tomorrow at weather we're having it off, so we'll be back with you Tuesday. We've got some training, we've got some courses to go on Monday, so.
As you can see outside there, but yeah, it's a bit thick here in Yorkshire this morning. So obviously we're not doing any work, there's just no we can do in this weather, it's ridiculous. Roads are all blocked, so I've just told everybody to have day off. So yeah, we've got to wrap this week up. I end up going digging my car out, luckily it's 4 before. I was supposed to be at new accounts this morning, but I will do it by Zoom, power of technology. So yeah, we'll wrap it up there and we'll see you next week. Thank you.